Helping Horizon Aircraft to hover higher and higher is a $2 million non-dilutive grant from the INSAT program to support its $10.5 million Crystal project. This initiative, in partnership with Flight Center of Excellence, 3C, and the University of Toronto, UOFT, aims to develop an all-weather eVTOL capable of operating in icy conditions. The project focuses on testing advanced ice detection and protection technologies, such as ice-phobic and electrothermal coatings developed by the University of Toronto on Horizon's Cavorite X7 hybrid eVTOL. The Crystal project has two phases. The first will investigate ice detection systems, and the second will test their application on the Cavorite X7 with the support of 3C. The project could revolutionize eVTOL operations, especially in challenging weather conditions where traditional helicopters struggle. Most helicopters can't operate in icy environments due to ice formation on rotor blades, which can cause dangerous stability issues. Meaning Horizon's all-weather eVTOL could provide a safer, more cost-effective, and sustainable alternative for critical operations such as medevac, disaster relief, and defense missions. On top of that, Horizon estimates that replacing just 4% of the global helicopter fleet with the Cavorite X7 could reduce CO2 emissions by 2.6 billion pounds annually. The Cavorite X7 is expected to be up to 75% cheaper per kilometer than helicopters, while offering faster speeds and higher capacity for passengers and cargo. The company also plans to certify the aircraft for Flight into Known Icing, FIKI, a rare certification in the industry. Across the Pacific, ACHR Aviation announced a major international partnership with Korean Air to introduce its Midnight eVTOL aircraft in South Korea. The agreement allows for the purchase of up to 100 aircraft for government and future commercial use, making it one of ACHR's largest global commitments. The Midnight eVTOL can carry 4 passengers and a pilot on 10 to 20-minute flights, ideal for connecting airports and city centers while cutting travel times from 60 to 90 minutes by car. The deal highlights ACHR's broader strategy to scale operations and global reach. Backed by Boeing and Stellantis, the company is currently producing 6 aircraft in the U.S. and plans to manufacture up to 650 units annually by 2030 at its new Georgia facility. ACHR also operates key partnerships with United Airlines and Indigo's parent company. Other recent milestones include acquiring 300 patents from competitor Lilium in a $21 million deal, expanding ACHR's portfolio to over 1,000 patents, and achieving record test flight altitudes for Midnight as it progresses towards certification. ACHR has also begun air taxi test flights in Abu Dhabi and is set to serve as the official air taxi provider for the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, signaling growing regulatory and commercial momentum. In South America, Eve Air Mobility, in collaboration with Invest SP, hosted a strategic summit in Sao Paulo to accelerate the development of eVTOL aircraft in Brazil. The event gathered key stakeholders, including regulatory authorities, safety agencies, and industry leaders, to discuss the next steps for launching commercial eVTOL operations in Brazil by 2027. Key topics included regulatory advancements, infrastructure development, such as vertiports and charging stations, and workforce training in the urban air mobility UAM sector. Eve's CEO, Johan Bordais, emphasized the company's focus on building a comprehensive ecosystem that goes beyond aircraft development, ensuring safe and efficient operations through collaboration with authorities and partners. Eve's eVTOL will be produced in Taubaté, SP, at a facility capable of manufacturing up to 480 units annually, with over 2,800 global orders, including $14 billion in firm orders and letters of intent. Eve aims to revolutionize urban transportation. Its eVTOL can carry 5 people, 1 pilot and 4 passengers, and has a range of up to 100 kilometers, ideal for short-distance urban and regional routes. The company anticipates significant travel time reductions on key urban routes, such as the connection between Sao Paulo's southern zone and Guarulhos Airport, cutting travel time from 150 minutes to 15 minutes. EVE sees eVTOLs as transformative not only for passenger transport, but also for sectors like tourism, public safety, and healthcare, highlighting the potential to improve life-saving organ transportation. Okay, that's enough about eVTOLs for now. Remember, conventional aircraft still need their regular maintenance. So mark Monday, November 10th on your calendar. That's when StandardAero will release its third quarter results after market close, followed by a conference call at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Operationally, StandardAero continues to expand its global MRO partnerships. It's extended its general terms agreement with Salamer Oman's low-cost carrier to provide LEAP-1A engine performance restoration shop visits, PRSVs, for its growing Airbus A320 neo fleet. The work will be supported from StandardAero's 810,000 square foot San Antonio, Texas facility, a CFM LEAP premier MRO provider, and the first non-airline CFM-branded service agreement holder in the Americas. In a similar move, Mauritania Airlines has selected StandardAero for CFM 567B and LEAP-1B MRO support for its Boeing 737NG and 737 MAX 8 aircraft. StandardAero has already inducted Mauritania's engines at its Winnipeg and San Antonio facilities, expanding an existing partnership that began with auxiliary power unit APU services. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.